Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Fab Jen, aka Fabulous Jenny, aka Jenny from the block, aka Jenny, and welcome to my beauty journey. As you can see, it's all about my nails. Yes, all completely decked out in Swarovski crystals. This is about a week and a half of wear, and this is what I would consider week one, week and a half, week one. And these are considered extra long or extra long nails. It just depends on the person and what they would consider extra long. I still don't know technically what would be extra long. So that's to give you an idea lengthwise how long they are. And this isn't a actual pin, but at least it'll give you a general idea how long. This is a pencil type shape, eyebrow pencil, so you can see they're pretty long. And this side right here, this is my right hand. This is the design on my right hand. This is my design on my left hand. I haven't had any issues with lifting. These are straighter nails. So, as you can see, they're very straight. And I love that they're straight because I can function a lot better when they're straight. These are actually, even though these are the longest set that I've ever had, they're extremely functional. And I can pick up things, I can hold things, I can open things relatively easy, no problem. It's kind of showing you how I open things if you're curious. Have no problems wiping my butt, because that's a very popular statement to say. People, if you're out there and you meet some of my kings and queens with long nails, don't say that. Don't ask them, how do you wipe your butt? It's very offensive. It's not necessary to do that, but some people do that, and it's like ridiculous to even ask somebody that. Don't worry about how they wipe their butt. How do you wipe your butt? You know, that's just, it's rude. I'm just putting it out there. It may not seem rude at first when you say it, and you may not mean any malice behind it, but yeah, just kind of keep that in mind. So this week and a half, haven't had any lifting, cracking issues whatsoever. However, I have had problems with crystals falling off. And this is the third set that I've had with crystals. The second set I've had with full Swarovski crystals. So the first one that fell off was this little guy right here. I asked my nail tech, hey, you know, stone fell off. What's the name of the stone? I was going to order some, and I was going to order a gel kit, yada, yada, yada. She said, don't worry about that. Come over tomorrow. This is when I'm available, and I'll pop it back on for you. So she was very kind. She said she stands behind her work, which is just phenomenal. And she put back on the gem, and she gave me some spare gems just in case. I'm very glad that she did that, because about 5 days later, another gem fell off. I can't remember if it was this one. It was definitely a pinky. Let's see, I think this pinky one fell off. This pinky one, and then I had two on this side. I think it was these two that fell off. And at that point, I was going to buy a lamp, curing lamp, and the gel to go with it, just in case. And plus, I want to reinforce the gems. So I'm glad that I did that, because it came in the nick of time. By that time, 2 more gems had fell off. So a total of 3 to 4 gems all together, between the one that my nail tech put back on and then the other 3 that came off. It was 4. I've never had that happen before. I've only had it happen when the set got older. It was usually within that 3 or 4 week mark. Now, you're probably also wondering, well, how do you get fills on this? This type of level of nails, when you go to a specific specialized nail tech, you won't have to get your nails refilled every 2 weeks. You don't have to. They'll grow out, and if you don't like the way that they're growing out, then you go back in for a fill. But these, you're going to have to start all over again. You're not going to be able to get a fill on these. So this will last you 4 to 5 weeks. Very little lifting. You will have growth by that 4th or 5th week. It'll feel a little funny. You'll feel a little bit maybe like Edward Scissorhands because of the growth from the cuticle to probably about right here. I get a lot of growth. My nails grow pretty fast, which is just weird to me. I don't know why that's weird to me. Look at the underside of this. It's so pretty. Pretty Valentine's nails. You know, this looks more royal. I was thinking more so in my mind's eye, maybe this would be more of a Morticia Addams set, but it did not turn out that way. But I'm very happy the way it turned out. So the only issues I've had was crystals popping off. So I got a lamp and I got the gel, and I've reinforced the crystals yesterday, and so far so good. I will keep you updated whether or not any more crystals pop off after doing the reinforcement. I'll also tell you about the quality of the gel, what I think. You can see there's a little gel right here. I'm not, look at that. But honestly, it doesn't take away from the brilliance of the nails. I'm very happy that I did go in and reinforce it. It also gives a little bit of a shine too. I like that. So you can always go back over your nails if you like, say, the sides or undersides of it, if you want to give it a little bit more of a shine. A lot of the reviews on Amazon were very, very positive. They absolutely loved them. So I went on ahead and brought that particular gel. It's very, very inexpensive, and I will leave those links down below. So no issues, no problems, other than the crystals falling off. But I guarantee you, if I kept all those crystals and they fell off and I told her about it, she would have me come in, no problem, and put back on those gems. But I did not want to travel 45 minutes to get to her. And if it's something I can do at home and I don't have a problem with doing, I'll do it. You've also, when you invest this kind of money into your nails, because this set's not cheap, and you could spend anywhere. Swarovski crystals, professional nail tech, you can spend anywhere easily $200 all the way to $300, $400, depending on your nail tech and their experience and what they're charging and how they're charging you per crystals. So this isn't for the weak of heart. This isn't for somebody who just doesn't understand. You don't have to spend that kind of money on your nails. If you think you can do it and you want to do it yourself, you can absolutely do that. In hindsight, they're going to still be very expensive. Swarovski crystals, if you're using Swarovski crystals to do your nails, they'll always be, even if you do them yourself, easily $150. Easily going to be $150. Just you doing it yourself, because of the crystals. And then the crystals can be very costly. And depends on if you are getting them wholesale and all that other stuff. So they can easily add up. But just real quickly, let me lower your lights to show you how really pretty and brilliant these are. And I'll let you guys go. If you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. I'm open. These aren't for the weak of heart. These are for my nail lovers. I can function just fine. I can do my hair just fine with these nails, and I don't have a problem with them getting caught on my hair. I haven't had a problem with them anytime doing my hair. So these are it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.